This is why she keeps staring at you, but never approaches. There's this cute gal. You look into her eyes and you forget how to breathe. Her smile just melts you and you really want to talk to her. But she does this thing where she just stares at you. She just keeps looking at you. She never approaches. She never makes a move. She just stares at you. Why do women do this? And what exactly do you do about it? Is it a good sign or is it a bad one? If you have been asking these questions, you are definitely in the right place. Not only am I going to walk you through some of the top reasons why women do this, but I'm also going to share with you what to do about it. As always, when you come to me, you can count on wholesome, authentic dating and relationship advice that leads to affectionate, lifelong love. No mind games, no tricks. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you subscribe. First, we'll talk about some of the top reasons why she might be staring at you but not making any kind of move. The first reason why she might be staring at you is that this is actually a female body language sign of attraction. When she looks at you repeatedly, there are a couple of things going on in her mind. One is, oh shoot, he's so cute. I hope he notices me. And she hopes that as your eyes meet and you see that encouragement, that you'll think she's cute and that you will want to approach her. Here's something you need to know about women and our internal alarm system. Women are not going to try and encourage a guy they don't want to approach them. They're just not. So she's not going to spend a lot of time looking at him. She doesn't want him to feel like there's any encouragement to him interacting with her. For a lot of men, this might sound kind of strange. Like why is looking at someone that important? And you have to just understand her internal alarm system is very different from yours. And so she's not going to spend a lot of time trying to encourage somebody she doesn't want anything to do with. However, the guy she's attracted to, she wants to encourage. She wants to catch your eye. She wants you to see that as, hey, I should go talk to her. Now, female body language tells us that women will do this. They will send that signal by trying to catch your eye several times. However, you do need to be aware that if you don't make a move, she's going to think, wow, this guy's weird. He's not attracted to me. I'm embarrassed. I'm going to find somebody else to flirt with. So it's important that you know that that is, in fact, a very important signal of attraction. The next reason why she might be staring at you but not making any kind of a move is that she legitimately thinks you're cute. However, she wants you to be the leader in the relationship. Women have a natural desire to respond to masculine leadership, not replace it. Masculine and feminine energies are irresistible to each other. We crave each other. A feminine woman who wants to just shower you with feminine attention cannot sacrifice her femininity by stepping into a masculine role. She wants that masculinity to come from her man. She wants to see you as capable and protective and strong and confident. She does not want to sacrifice that femininity to pursue you in a masculine way. She has too much respect for herself to do that, but she also has too much respect for you. She doesn't want to take that role from you. So a feminine woman is not going to approach you and make a move in a masculine way. She's just not. So if she's looking at you a lot, she might be, yes, very interested, very attracted to you, but she's waiting for you to show up as the leader in the relationship. Another very common reason why she might look at you a lot but not make any kind of move is that she's legitimately shy. She's reserved. She's feeling nervous. And yes, she wants you to show up as that leader. It's very common when someone's shy or nervous or reserved to just kind of hover outside, to kind of from a distance just watch the person, being really attracted to them, hoping that they will finally notice them, but never actually making any kind of move, which is another reason why just showing up as the leader in the relationship is going to help in so many ways. Now, the next reason why she might be staring at you a lot, but never does anything about it, this one is kind of one of the outliers. Like sometimes this does legitimately happen, so it was worth mentioning in this video. Maybe she's not remotely interested. She's just a little weird. There are some people who will just stare at people, or perhaps even will go so far as to say maybe she's a toxic person who's trying to intimidate you. Maybe she's just a really awkward person who is upset by you, or is perhaps upset because she doesn't think you like her. There are some of those weird outlier reasons why somebody might be staring at you, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's a good idea to approach them or interact with them. And this is why it's actually a really good idea to make sure you're looking for multiple signs of attraction. Never ever trust just one sign of attraction, because life isn't quite that exact. Body language has context to it. So it's important to make sure you're looking for, I would say 3 to 7 signs is a really great sweet spot to make sure that she is in fact interested in you. Now, I understand at this point you might be thinking, wow, women are super confusing. And that's okay, because to be perfectly honest, women think you're super confusing as well. However, the men and women who understand each other, who take the time to learn about and understand each other, are the ones who can have the most fulfilling, happy, affectionate, passionate relationships. If you want love, if you want a family, if you want happiness and affection, it only makes sense that understanding women is going to help you with that dramatically. Right? So what do? How do you learn that in an authentic way instead of a mind game way? This is exactly why I've created free training for you. In my masterclass, you're going to learn how to make a woman fall passionately in love with you. You're going to learn what's been blocking you and keeping you from the love you desire. You'll also learn how to permanently transform how women respond to you. To watch this, just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass or check out the link in the description below. Men who are successful in love are the men who understand women. So I think it's your turn, don't you? Now let's talk about what to do about her staring at you. Because the truth is, you can just keep staring at each other, but you're not going to get very far if that's all you do. If she is looking at you because she's attracted to you, you need to show up as that masculine leader, or she is going to move on. So I'm going to just walk you through some important steps. Sound good? Step number 1 is make your eye contact and smile. And notice how she responds to that smile. Does she look uncomfortable? Does she look away unhappily? Does she smile back? Does she maybe do the chin tuck? You may have heard me talk about that before. Is her response positive or negative? If it's negative, probably just, stop there. But if it's positive, continue to step number 2. Step number 2 is continue to look for signs that she is attracted to you. Remember, like I said earlier, you want to look for multiple signs. So start paying attention to that. And if you want to know more of those signs, I will link a video for you at the end. Make sure you do watch that next. Step number 3 is to assess if there's any other reason why she might be staring at you. Maybe you have a really loud laugh and that pulls people's attention frequently, or you talk loudly. Maybe you happen to be the center of the conversation right now. Maybe it's her job for some reason to keep an eye on people. Whatever it is, just start paying attention. Are there other reasons why she might be looking at you a lot? Step number 4 is to decide what you're going to say to her. Smile and confidently walk over and talk to her. It is very important. This is something I teach my clients in my academy. Don't approach her if you don't have something in mind to say. Now, you can have just a few go-to things that you say to everybody new. There's nothing wrong with it. That's something I teach. That's something I practice. But if you don't know what you're going to say, this is going to be incredibly awkward. So do plan what you're going to say first. And then smile, confident, shoulders back, walk over and talk to her. Worst case scenario, she's not interested and you get to move on. You don't have to worry or wonder about it anymore. Best case scenario, she is interested and you get to see where this goes. And you just totally impressed her because you showed up as the masculine leader. This is my second time filming this video because the first time, sometimes my mic is having problems lately. Sometimes it's totally fine. Sometimes it freaks out, but we caught it before we went to production this time. So I can refilm it. I'm just really sad because the last one was really good. I'll get over it. So this is actually one of... Next. Next. Okay, secret end of the video club. Our word for the end of the video is violin. Why? Because I heard some pretty violin music and it made me think of it. So there you go. Bonus points if you comment what your favorite instrument is. Mine's not necessarily the violin, but I do like the violin. So anyway, comment it. Never forget that you're awesome. If you liked this video, you will also like this video, which is on specific signs of attraction, signs that she likes you. So I will link that for you. Make sure you watch it. Thank you so much again, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one.